Drive Time Search Solutions by Miami. Using Homesnap Search by Commute feature, select Home at the bottom of your screen. Tap the commute icon. Inside of the commute icon, you can then add an address. Commute times are based on travel at 8 a.m. and average traffic condition in the area. Tapping on Add Commute Address and then able to enter an address or a business name. I'm going to enter our first address. Select it. The commute type is by car, but I do have the option to customize my commute time. For this example, I'm going to tap 35 minutes and tap on Done. I now have the option to add another address. This is a great feature where I'm able to find a commute time that works for the whole household. I'm actually able to track up to 5 different locations. When we're done, we can tap on Search. The application will go ahead and filter properties by the commute time. When I choose the property, I'm able to scroll to commute time to verify how many minutes it would take my customer to reach their commute destinations. Thank you for watching your Miami Trainer videos and for being a Miami member.